How to organize Outlook calendar and task. So first things first, go to Outlook, go to calendar and create a new calendar task right here. For example, routine. You can set a color, you can set an icon right here. And then you can also categorize this with your calendar or other calendars. And this is what it looks like. To start, you just have to click. For example, if you want to create a task here on Monday, then you have to right click, enter the name of your task. Let's just say morning or morning task. Then you can just basically go to other options to categorize this. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Morning routine, set a date, go to more options. You can change settings here, for example, free, remind you 15 minutes before. You can also categorize by color, and then you can add notes here or more details about the specific task. So for example, for a morning routine, you can do morning walk, or let's just say wake up rituals, mind and body activation, mental preparation, fuel and care, and then focus start. So you can edit, you can add link, and so on. To add another task, again, just click anywhere and then set date, time, and then here you can add reminder. You can also add location here and then tap on more options. Now set a reminder again and then categorize this with any color you want. Add more details. You can add link, picture, emoticon, and so on. Now do this to the rest of the date. So if you want to add again, just tap or right click, enter the title of the task right here. Same thing. You can set the date, the time, the reminder. You can also add location, more option to change the color, categorize, add more description and details, link, image, and so on. So as a result, this is what it looks like if you organize Outlook calendar and task. As you can see, it's easy for you to locate the task since you have added some colors, you categorize it, you add more details, you set daily reminder, and so on. And that's how easy it is to organize out the calendar and task. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.